Okay, guys, what up? It's your boy Easy here. Not going to go into an intro, but I've been getting a lot of questions of why I brought a PlayStation Vita in 2025. So, the main point of this video is it worth buying the PlayStation Vita in 2025? And I'm going to answer that question for you. So, at no further ado, let's just move my keyboard out the way, which this thing is heavy. As you can see right there, this thing is a monster. Everything on here is aluminum metal. Besides this part, I'm going to actually buy a black one that's in metal for this part. Everything else is just metal. So yeah, that thing is heavy. Move this mouse out the way. So PS Vita right here. There we go. PS Vita. This is my old Vita case. I gotta find my other accessories I have for it. When I had my original PS Vita, yeah, no, I had 3 Vitas. I had a black one, which was a 3G model. Then I had a white version, which was all Wi-Fi model. Then I brought another black version, which was the PlayStation Vita 2000. Both of the other units I had was actually I think it was a PS Vita 1001 or 1100. I think that's the 3G model, and I know the original model for the PS Vita was 1000. The slim version was the 2000, like that. So yeah. So, and no further ado. There we go. I love this thing. I love this Vita. Y'all don't understand how long I wanted to get this in this color. Like, I wanted this thing forever. Forever. As you can see right there. Look at that. This is a sapphire blue, which is more like a royal blue. I love this color type of blue. It matches the color of my glove. Love this thing. Love it. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick that up. Might have to put my hand in front of it. I don't know. Might not be able to pick it up. But it's all Gucci. It's all gravy. So, is it worth getting this thing around this time in this year? I'm here to answer that question for you. Let me just fix that camera a little bit. Just rotate it a little. There we go. There we go. So let's power this bad boy on. This is why I got it. If y'all know me, y'all watch my videos back in the day, y'all know I used to hack the hell out of everything. So let's power it on real quick. You know I had to have that boot. You know I had to hack it and have that boot logo. As you can see right there, have the text up on here. Y'all already know the deal. If you watch my videos back in the day, you already know the deal. Look at that. 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 Oh, man. Y'all just don't know. I spent the last day and a half customizing. It's literally 2 days now. This is the 3rd day now. It's 1:33 in the morning. So, yeah, I got this on Friday, like Friday afternoon. And I've been messing with this thing this entire time. I hacked the hell out of this damn thing. So, as you can see, I got a bunch of hacks, everything all over the damn thing. Y'all remember this theme back in the day, back in 2012, back in 2013, 2014, 2015. Y'all remember those days? Y'all remember that? So yeah, so the only thing about this PS Vita, because it's a Japanese version, I had to do a lot of custom stuff in here, change the buttons around. One of the things that I did notice about this Japanese version is that the battery only charges up to 80%. So it only goes up to about 82% and goes no further than that. The reason for that is because it has a better battery. So it takes a little bit longer for this thing to die out. So normally the normal PS Vitas, when it was at 100%, it would die out a little bit better. To be honest, I've been playing this thing literally half of the night. I left it on. I picked it up this morning, played it, and I was only down to about 43%. And I was heavy playing. I literally played about some Dragon Ball Z, Mortal Kombat. I jumped inside some other games like that. As you can see right here, let's go down real fast. I need to install this. I need to install my Assassin's Creed back, and I need to install Uncharted back. But I do got Dragon Ball Z. I got Killzone, Mercenaries, Metal Gear Solid, HD Collection, Mortal Kombat, Gravity Rush. I'm gonna put more games on here. I am installing more things up on this bad boy. But yeah, boy. Let's jump into this real fast. Oh, here's the other thing I like about this. Let's hit this right here. This is a 2-in-1. So I got the PS Vita right here, right? Now watch this. This is why I loved it. And I don't even have to go back and buy another one of these. Look at this. Watch. Just watch. Just watch. Did you hear that? Do you see this? Do you see this? I have a PlayStation, a PSP on my PS Vita. Oh, and I got a lot of games up already on here. So look at this. Let that load in. Dragon Ball Evolution, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, Liberty City Stories, Midnight Club, Double Edition, Dragon Ball Z, and Budokai. I already got games already up on here ready to go. There's more games on here. I just gotta install it on here. I gotta put Midnight Club on here. Actually no, it's right here. I gotta put Def Jam Vendetta on here. No, I don't want to play that. So yeah, I don't want to play that. I got Retro Arc on here. Like that. Like I got so many things up on this thing, and this is the reason why I said it's worth buying it for in this time zone. I'm gonna explain the reason why I brought it in this year, so just bear with me for a second. So I got Dragon Ball Z, got this. I gotta really put the other files in. I don't even think I copied it over, but I got Batman, DuckTales, Nightmare on Elm Street, RoboCop, Superman, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Tiny Toons, Total Recall. There's more games on it, but I don't think I put it inside the folder yet. I think it's still on my other computer, and I don't think I actually added it into it. I got Marvel vs. Capcom. I got Resident Evil here, Director's Cut, Nemesis, and all these games right here. I can actually play it right now. That's the great thing about it. I do have my custom themes. I do have my layout. So this is retro flow. Adrenaline. Where's the other one? I gotta set up the bubbles on here, so that's the other thing. But I thought I put Fight for New York on here. I think it's also on my ROG Ally X. So here's the games I have on here. Change the view. I love this thing. So, why did I buy a PS Vita in this time of year? One, y'all see this. I have my ROG Ally X. My ROG Ally X does the exact same thing this does, right? Same games, same thing, everything like that. Only difference between this one and this one is that it's bigger screen, everything else, right? The reason why I brought this is because when I'm out on a go with this, I don't like taking this out all the time, because once you on a train, a bus, at freaking appointments or wherever I may be, because I've done it a few times. I've been at a freaking doctor's appointment or appointment wherever I might be at, and I've been sitting there playing this like that, and I keep getting people ask me, "What is that? What is that? What is that? Is that a Steam Deck?" I'm like, "No, it's ROG Ally." And the first thing they go is, "Can I see it?" Then he all up on me and stuff like that. I don't like people up on me like that, bruh. I'm sorry. Then people just constantly keep looking. So to eliminate that was this, right? Small, handheld, play my games, whatever I want to do, be able to see what I got. Have a camera right there, have a camera right here. There's a small little microphone right there, memory card right there. I got a custom memory card sitting right here. Gotta close this up real quick. That's a memory card. That's not an actual game. That's my memory card. If you can see that right there. And I got to clean my fingernails because I was digging some stuff. I'm sorry about that. Got dirt in my nails. I want to clean that up. So, yeah. Actually, I'm going to do that right now. While I'm talking to you guys. But, yeah. The simple fact is I don't like going out places and have to constantly keep having people look at me and stuff like that. I don't like that. I really don't like that. I don't like the fact that when I'm traveling around or when I'm going, it's a big burden. People keep asking me questions about it. I'm the type of person, I don't like people around me that much. So I kind of like stay to myself. And because of that, plus you could get robbed with a thing like this. This is an $800 device. I'm not walking around with this showboated like that. This was only $200. Okay, $200. Actually, $189 and change with tax came out to $203. Got this right away. Very mint condition. I was gonna buy some extra parts and change everything out. What I'm thinking about doing is I am going to change the motherboard on here. I want to put a 3G version on here. Now, the reason why I'm saying we want to do the 3G version is because I can take the adapter out for the 3G and I can put a SD card in the back where the thing is. There's a little adapter that goes in the back. It's kind of like something like, where is my adapters? No, I'm not going to go through all my adapter pieces. Yeah, I'm not gonna. But you gotta adapt it as something like this, and there's another piece. I'm not gonna try to look through all my stuff that's on my table, but yeah, basically when you take this apart, the adapter piece is right here. You take the Wi-Fi thing is right here. You have the 3G networking right here. Then you have the part that goes right here. There's two ways to do it. You can take the piece out, put the adapter in that goes into the back once you lift up the case, and basically put the SIM card inside of it. And you could do it like that. Or if you don't want to do it completely with have to keep taking the back off and forward and stuff like that to take out the SD card, you can buy a little ribbon adapter that will connect towards the part right here. So what I can do is I can just buy a whole new body for this, which is only like $20, $25 on eBay, the same thing. You just get the 3G Wi-Fi version. And I can put the adapter right here, so I can put an SD card right there. Then I still have the slot right here for my SD card slot here. Then I still have the access to play my games right here. Or I can put another SD card right there. And really have multiple ways for storage. Crazy, right? But yeah, that's the reason why I got the PS Vita in 2025. Is it worth it? Yes, it is. And I'm going to catch you guys later, all right? That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Wow.